What's up, guys? It's 6 a.m. We're departed on our way to Kearney. Kearney. That's where we're dropping. We're dropping in Kearney for a 3-day trip for the weekend. We're meeting some other friends in Arthur. So it's 3 of us headed up, and hoping to have a great fun weekend on the sleds with some good content and footage. Hope you guys enjoy.
I want to go way back in there.
Do it. Finish the beer first.
Oh no, not now. I can't chug it. It's only 11 o'clock. It's hotter than normal.
It's burning clean, but
I'm gonna take the other plug out.
Pull it over a couple times. Get the other plug out too while you're at it. Don't put it back in. Give it to me. Hey guys, so it's day 3. We're leaving Barry's Bay right now. Hopefully gonna be arriving in our destination in Big Hawk Lake in a couple hours. It's about 200 kilometers. We're gonna make a couple stops, hopefully find some powder. So stay tuned for the footage. Peace. Huh?
Like -2.
Yeah, it's getting warm. Yeah, this is definitely not a lookout spot, but it's not as nice.
The snow is like fucking frozen, crumbly shit. Like the snow doesn't really get up in your track. It's fucking crusty as fuck.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
Not cool in the sleds. The necessities. Couple of stuck sleds. I don't know if mine's stuck, I just parked it there. This guy though, he's fucking stuck. Come on, boy. Hey guys, we're touring home from the sled trip. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, please like and subscribe, guys. We got some really cool content. Make sure you check it out.
Peace.